Artificial intelligence, a double-edged sword, exploring the pros and cons. Amidst the buzz surrounding artificial intelligence, encompassing robots, self-driving vehicles, and more, it's easy to underestimate its impact on our daily lives. In truth, most of us interact with artificial intelligence in various ways almost every single day. From the moment we awaken and glance at our smartphone as to when we choose another movie recommended by Netflix, AI has seamlessly integrated into our routines. However, before we explore the pros and cons of AI, let's take a moment to understand what AI actually is. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the embodiment of computer programs capable of learning and thinking. Essentially, any task that we typically associate with human performance can be considered artificial intelligence. It involves the replication of human intelligence, hence the artificial aspect, within machines to perform tasks we typically rely on humans for. Artificial intelligence, AI, presents a myriad of benefits, including 1. Round-the-clock availability. AI's most prominent advantage is its 24/7 availability. While other computer technologies depend on human interaction, AI can make autonomous decisions and take actions, ensuring uninterrupted operations. AI can work ceaselessly without breaks, outperforming human productivity. Online customer support chatbots, for instance, provide instant assistance to customers at any time. 2. Scalability. AI not only operates continuously, but scales infinitely. It is able to give personalized recommendations provided by companies like Amazon and Netflix. Unlike humans, AI can extend such services to hundreds of thousands of customers simultaneously. In the financial sector, AI plays a pivotal role in verifying transactions and monitoring for fraud on a massive scale, a task unattainable by humans alone. 3. Enhanced accuracy and error reduction. AI systems exhibit unwavering accuracy and a reduced margin of error. They do not succumb to fatigue or distractions, processing vast amounts of data while consistently adhering to predefined rules. Although perfection remains elusive, maintaining accuracy requires AI models to rely on sound algorithms, unbiased data, and vigilant monitoring to prevent deviations. An example is robotic surgery systems that perform complex procedures with accuracy, improving patient safety. 4. Safety advancements. AI enhances safety across various domains. General Motors Super Cruise, for instance, ensures driver attentiveness on the road by monitoring head and eye positioning. The technology intervenes when necessary, underscoring its contribution to road safety. Moreover, AI is instrumental in manufacturing, where it safeguards workers by halting machinery in close proximity and assists in tasks such as bomb defusal and firefighting, space exploration, deep-sea exploration, and disaster response, sparing human lives from perilous situations. 5. Automation of mundane tasks. AI excels in automating repetitive and monotonous tasks, both in professional settings and daily life. By shouldering the burden of routine work, AI liberates individuals from mundane chores, allowing them to allocate more time to higher-value endeavors. This is evident in the adoption of robotic vacuums at home and data processing in offices, alleviating the demand for human intervention in tedious tasks. Medical applications. AI contributes to medical diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans, leading to better health outcomes and advancements in healthcare. Artificial intelligence, AI, is not without its drawbacks, which include 1. High costs. The development of AI systems is a costly endeavor. Creating machines that can simulate human intelligence demands substantial time, resources, and financial investments. Moreover, AI needs continuous updates and the latest hardware and software to stay current, adding to its overall cost. 2. Lack of creativity. AI's primary limitation is its inability to exhibit creativity or outside the box and original thought. It operates based on algorithms and data it has been exposed to, lacking the capacity for unconventional thinking. While AI can make predictions and learn from data, it cannot replace human creativity, inspiration, and the ability to generate fundamentally new ideas. AI complements human thinking, but does not possess the inherent creativity that humans do. 3. Absence of empathy. AI can be trained to recognize human emotions, but remains devoid of empathy. Humans have the unique ability to feel and empathize, a crucial aspect in various fields, including healthcare and customer service. In the service-dominated economy, many jobs require empathetic interactions that AI cannot replicate. Empathy is a human trait that AI cannot embody. Job displacement. AI automation may lead to the displacement of jobs. A report from Goldman Sachs Research estimates that up to 300 million full-time jobs could be lost to AI, with around 2/3 of U.S. occupations exposed to some level of automation. While AI may create new job opportunities, the impact on the labor market is expected to be significant. Workers will need to acquire new skills, including the ability to collaborate with AI, as not all jobs are likely to be fully automated. AI is more likely to complement rather than substitute human labor in most industries. AI applications, particularly robots, have the potential to displace human workers, leading to unemployment in certain cases. Industries in technologically advanced nations, such as Japan, often employ robots to replace human labor, which can reduce job opportunities for humans while increasing efficiency. In conclusion, while artificial intelligence offers numerous advantages, it also presents significant challenges. The responsible development and integration of AI are crucial to harness its potential for the betterment of society. As AI continues to grow and influence various industries, there is a need for AI literacy and upskilling to ensure that its impact remains positive and manageable. Programs like Simply Learn's Caltech postgraduate program in AI and ML can help individuals prepare for the evolving job market by covering fundamental and advanced AI topics. These examples emphasize the need for ethical guidelines and responsible use of AI technology to prevent harm and ensure its positive impact on society.